Hello, I'm Jesse Myles of the Myles Group, and today I'm going to answer the question about how do I prepare my home to sell in the spring. So when you think about selling your home in the spring, one of the first things you might want to do is, establish that timeline, have that target date that you want to get your home sold. After that, you can start with your home's curb appeal, ensuring the outside is straight and good to go. Then work your way on the inside. You can start decluttering the home. Get rid of some stuff that you don't use no more. Clear the home out of clutter so the buyer can really envision themselves in the home. After you finish decluttering, start working on those repairs of the home that you put off in the fall time that you're getting done. Any major repairs, make sure all the repairs are done. Make sure there's no water spots in the ceiling, any cracks around windows and all that stuff. You want to make sure all the major repairs are done. And that's about it. If you have any questions, you'd like to talk a little bit more about the topic, feel free to give me a call at my information provided below.